Junlan sent this sweat vest for my review, and I say sweat vest because this is partly to be used in a sauna. If you do sauna, fantastic. It's going to make you sweat 4 or 5 times the amount of sweat that you usually sweat. I will also be using it to work out at the gym because you've got a lot of mobility. You can actually move about. It's not constrictive. It's not something that's going to feel uncomfortable when you're doing all these movements and exercises at the gym, and you are going to sweat because inside of here, and I'll show you this right there, there's a proprietary kind of insert, and they do have those little clips because it does help. It is so skin tight. It does help the zipper to kind of like pull it up. But look at the inside right here. That's what I'm talking about. This is what will actually make your skin super sweaty, right? And it does work. I'm not even working out right now, and I feel the burn. I feel the sweat. I will be wearing this in the sauna when I do sauna every night, but I will be wearing this definitely during my workouts. It does feel incredible. It is a very comfortable tank top style, long and wide at around the shoulders, which is really, really comfortable as well. But yeah, I like the length. I like the fact that it actually fits properly. And speaking of fit, I wear small when I want things to be skin tight, and this is small. I would definitely tell you to kind of like size a little down if you want to be doing it. Like usually I will wear medium stuff in the winter and fall times. Definitely go one step down because you want this to be skin tight and make you sweat like crazy. That's fantastic.